Organisms and Populations. Ecology is the study of interactions among organisms and between the organism and its physical environment. Ecology is basically concerned with four levels of biological organization. They are organisms, populations, communities, and biomes. Biomes are large, naturally occurring communities of plants and animals occupying a major habitat. Major biomes are grassland, desert, forest, and tundra. Tundra is a type of biome where tree growth is hindered by low temperature, that is, they are treeless mountains. Habitat and niche. Habitat is a place where an organism makes its home. A habitat meets all the environmental conditions an organism needs to survive. Niche is the role of an organism in its environment. Niche describes how a species lives and interacts with other organisms in a habitat. Habitat and niche. Habitat, it is larger in size. Niche, it is smaller than habitat. Habitat might have one or more niches. A niche is a unit that doesn't have further components. A habitat might support more than one species at a time. A niche supports only a single species. The key elements that lead to the variation in the physical and chemical conditions of different habitats are abiotic factors. Major abiotic factors are temperature, water, light, and soil. Temperature. The average temperature on land varies. The temperature decreases from the equator towards the poles and from the plains to the mountain tops. Temperature affects the working of enzymes, so it affects the metabolism, activity, and other functions of the organism. Based on thermal tolerance, organisms are of two types. Euthermal organisms. Organisms which can tolerate wide range of temperatures are called euthermal organisms. Example, cat, dog, tiger, man, etc. Stenothermal organisms. Organisms which can tolerate a narrow range of temperatures are called stenothermal organisms. Example, penguin, crocodile, python, etc. Water. It is the most important factor influencing the life of organisms. The productivity and distribution of plants are dependent on water. For aquatic organisms, the quality of water is important. Animals which can tolerate a wide range of salinity, salt concentration, are called euryhaline. Animals which can tolerate a narrow range of salinity are called stenohaline. Many freshwater animals cannot live for long in seawater and vice versa because of osmotic problems. Light. Autotrophic organisms prepare food through photosynthesis in presence of light. Many plants are also dependent on sunlight for flowering. Deep in the ocean, the environment is dark. Solar light is not reached there. The inhabitants there get energy by chemosynthesis, marine snow, and whale fall. Among the red, brown, and green algae that inhabit the sea, the red algae is most likely to be found in deep water. The blue and green lights have short wavelength and high energy, and it reaches to the bottom. This blue-green light is absorbed by the red pigment phycoerythrin present in the red algae. This is the reason that red algae is present in deep water. Soil. The nature and properties of soil vary in different places. The soil composition, grain size and aggregation, pH, mineral composition and topography determine the vegetation and animals in that area.